stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I go there will be trouble, and if I stay it will be double. So come on and let me know.
Grr. So we're your guys' forensic science cadavers this year, and you guys should join forensic science for Miss Schmidt because she's an awesome one, but second because you can be dead people like us.
It's a
And-
junior-senior class next year, so make sure to join.
Yeah. Also, you get to investigate how we died.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Donegan,
Hi, I'm Aileen Panduro.
and this is the morning announcements.
The dress exchange will be open on Monday, May 6th and Wednesday, May 8th from 2:45 to 4:45.
Varsity baseball for Paloma Valley beat the Temescal Canyon and won the league champions. Good job, guys.
Paloma Valley softball won Temescal Canyon from 7 to 4.
This event is Sunday, May 19th. We need at least 4 volunteers to hand out water to the runners. See Mr. Williams if you need help in room U106.
Hey Wildcats, it's going to be 59 degrees today. It's supposed to be cloudy, might rain, and tomorrow's going to be 61.
Well, you said that we would still be friends, but I'll admit that I was glad.
This day in history in 1954, first 4-minute mile. Roger Bannister ran mile in less than 4 minutes.
This day in history, 1994, the English Channel Tunnel opens. They call it a channel.
On this day in history, 1937, Hindenburg blimp explodes over New York.
Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. There's something broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let
You gotta bend all the way over first. Okay, so do I have to like do like this?
This is
That's
not,
it, that's
this is
it.
Not,
Oh,
okay.
I'm gonna just go 1, 2, and then.
That's
And then you
it.
have to jump high, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Ready? 2, 3, go.
I'm Justin Doring,
I'm Cassidy Potamon.
and you guys should vote for us for ACE President and Vice President.
Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay